Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Etiforex, the major of indices, major of boom and crash. Yo, I'm the best signal provider, the best mentor out here. You're about to learn another thing today. You know, whenever you watch my video, you must learn something. You must learn something from my video, right? So today I want to show you guys how to make use of trend line. Like I'm talking about trend trading strategy, okay? Trend line trading strategy, okay? So that's what we are talking about today. And you must learn something from my video. You must learn something today. So if you're new on this channel, please show us some love. Support us by smashing the like button. Subscribe to this channel. It's very important. Share this video with friends. Let them come watch and learn also. Then also check the description of this video to join my free Telegram channel. Chat me off for mentorship, for VIP signals, for account management. You have up to $200 above. Let's make money, okay? Let's make money, right? So now B500, we are in good profits. I've given these signals to my VIP. We are in good profits right now. I'll show you guys my reason for this trade. Okay, it's very simple. So trend line, a lot of people doesn't know how to make use of trend line. Okay, a lot of people doesn't know how to make use of trend line, but I'll make it very simple. Your mentor don't even know this, don't even know how to teach you properly on how to make use of trend line and trade the trend. Okay, so I will show you guys a very simple step now. So when trading trend line, the first thing you need to know, you want to know if the market is in an uptrend. So when we check on the higher time frame, like the 4 hours time frame, you can see we're running in an uptrend. This is an uptrend. Market is moving like this. This is the movement, right? That's how the market is moving. Okay, so this is an uptrend. So when market is in an uptrend like this, what you're waiting for is a pullback, what we call pullback. This is a pullback. What happened here? Market went up to that point, to this very point here, and then started dropping. All right, started dropping. But this is the main direction of the market, which is uptrend. This is the main direction of the market, is going up. But whenever it comes back, when it's in an uptrend, but it comes back like this to go up again, this is a pullback. So when you see market in an uptrend, what you're waiting for be a pullback, then you look for buying opportunity, right? So I waited for this market to hit a certain level. Then there was a pullback, and this is the pullback here that happened right there. The pullback that happened right there. So around this pullback, I was looking for a certain zone, a level that market might, want to reverse and start going up again. All right. So now, if you check on the 1 hour chart, you can see that we have something like this. The market going like this. Okay. So now I'm waiting for, when you see a market like this in an uptrend, what you need to do is to identify the origin of that trend. You need to identify the origin of that trend. Okay, let's check on the 30 minutes time frame. This is the origin of the trend, of this very trend here, this uptrend here. What do I mean by the origin? This is where the trend started creating the structure, the bullish structure. Okay, so once you identify the origin, this is where it started. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to know where market started. So once you see that, you're bringing in your trend line. You put your trend line here. You start from the very beginning of the trend. Okay, that's the structure. Place your trend line there on that structure. Remember, you place your trend line on that structure. Then after placing your trend line there, you drag it up. Now you're waiting for market to come back again to that level. So market drops back to this level and gives you the second touch. All right. Okay, this is the second touch here on the trend line, to the trend line. So we have here a point A. Let's take that as point 1. Okay, we have point 1 here, right, which is the origin, and the point 2 is the second touch here on that trend line. So once it touches, we have the second touch. We expect market to come back to that point, though it's not always. It does not happen like that every time, but mostly it happens like that. Market comes back to that line. So now we have the first touch here, which is the point 1. And we have the second touch here, which is the point 2. So now the point 3 will be our entry. right? The points 1 and 2 give us a confirmation that this is an uptrend and this is a trend, this is the market direction, this is a structure that we are having in the market. The market will be going up in this direction because market moves in waves. So whenever it comes back to create another wave, we're looking for an opportunity. So we had the first, we have the point 1 and point 2 here. Then what we're looking for now is the point 3, which is our entry level. Point 3, which is our entry level. So when you place your trend line like this on the origin, you drag it and it touches the point 2. Now you're expecting market to come back to that trend line again in the future for it to find an entry. All right. So now in this situation, you can see what happened. Market dropped back to this trend line again, dropped back to this trend line, and I quickly I took advantage of that because market dropped back to the trend line, which is my entry point. The point 3 is the entry point. This is our point 3, which is our entry point. So when market dropped to this point, I started seeing some rejection. All right, that tells me that market will be going up. So at this point, I opened some positions here and my SL was down below the trend line. Okay, the market started jumping, dancing around this level for a very long time, for hours. But I knew I wasn't afraid because I knew market would be going up from there. As usual, it's something I've been seeing over time. So markets created a structure here and broken the structure on the lower time from the 15 minutes time frame back to this level, and there was a long spike till we smashed our first TP. Our first TP was somewhere here. That was my TP. My TP1 was right there. So you can see what happened. Now market just smashed the TP1. It's dragging down for a while. It will drop down, maybe might drop down to this point before it starts spiking again to our TP2. Now I refuse to put my TP up to this point because this is where I'm supposed to put my TP. My final target is supposed to be here, but then you don't have to be greedy, right? This is an area on your chart that markets might want to react before that level. So that's why I put my second target, my final target, somewhere below the main target, where like the high of this structure. Okay, so now we just smashed our TP1 and I moved my SL from this level down here up to this point. I'm expecting market to go hit the TP2 and create a new high. Okay, now when it creates a new high, I'll be expecting market to come back again. After creating a new high, to come back again in the future to do something. I'm expecting market to do something like this. Then it will come back again to a point like this, and I'll find another entry here at point 4. This will be my point 4. I'll find another entry there. So very simple how to trade with trend line trading strategy. It's very simple, though there are some other things you need to put into consideration, you need to know before trading it, but this is a very simple way to go about it. All right, most people will not come out here and tell you this. They can never come out here and explain this. So that's the main reason you should subscribe to this channel and click on post notifications so that whenever I drop a video like this, you'll be the first to watch, learn, and make money with it, right? So yeah, that's simple. If you have any challenge, have any question, just drop it there or you come to my DM. All right, so like I said, accounts management is available, mentorship is available, and VIP signals available. All right, so check the description of this video to chat me up directly, and please, I will never come to you first. I will never chat you first, no matter anything. Don't allow anybody to come and scam you. I will never chat you first. So check the description of this video, click on it, come to my DM and chat me for any of my services, or you have any issue, any challenge at all, any question you want to ask, just come to me directly. Let's make money, guys. So the purpose of this channel is to make sure that I support and help every one of you to grow alongside with me. All right, so that'll be all for now, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you.